For the following counties in New York: Broome, Shenango, Delaware, Sullivan, and Tioga. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a snow squall warning for Broome County, southwestern Delaware County, northeastern Tioga County, southern Shenango County, northwestern Sullivan County until 7 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Berkshire to Binghamton Regional Airport to near Fifth Eddy, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: extremely poor visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. Locations impacted include Rockland, Binghamton, Johnson City, Maine, Sydney, Walton, Sanford, Colchester, Nanticoke, and Deposit. This includes the following highway exits: New York Interstate 81 between 2 and 8. Interstate 86/Route 17 between 70 North and 84, and between 87 and 94. Interstate 88 between 1 and 9. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction. The following is...
Well, that came all of a sudden. Jeez.